This is the most expensive horse in the world that was sold last week for a price of $54 million. Can you believe it? To explain, this price is justified for two reasons. Because it was elected the most beautiful horse in the world, because of its coat. It's a coat that is somewhat silvery, as you can see here. It's just magnificent, and it comes from a lineage of racehorses with a great track record. So it's for these two reasons that at auction, it went for over $50 million. Can you imagine $50 million for a horse? Well, of course, it's just magnificent. When you see its coat, its fur, really, it truly looks like mother of pearl. The reflections of light on its fur, etc., it's just magnificent. For horse enthusiasts, if you have the money, would you have spent this sum for this horse? After all, it could be an investment, you can breed it, and maybe there will be some foals with these physical characteristics. Your opinion in the comments.